Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi and you are most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. Be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So today I'm going to talk about the topic leisure time. So I'm going to ask like 6 questions to myself and I will give answers one by one. So be ready and keep watching video and keep supporting me. Thank you so much. So my first question goes to myself, that is, what's your favorite leisure activities? Like, I mean to say that this is the question, I think, what I would like to do in the leisure time. So the first thing, I think, I'm really interested about the singing. So whenever I'm getting the free time and the leisure time, at that time I would like to do like, sing the song. And except that, I would like to do photography sometimes. And except that, if I'm getting a lot more leisure time, I would like to connect with my friends and I would like to do chit chat with them. This is all about my favorite leisure activities. I think singing. The first one is singing, the second one I can say the photography, and the third one I can say that talking and doing chit chat with my friends. So these are the 3, and the first, if you are talking about the favorite one, that is singing. So the second, I think, question is, what did you enjoy doing your free time as a child? I mean to say that when I was a child, so what I was doing at my free time, I was playing a lot more games, because I born and brought up in a village, and so I got a lot more chances to play a lot with my friends. I think, at that time I did have a lot more friends. So I did enjoy a lot and I played a lot in the past. So this is all about my answer of second question. So the third question I'm going to ask myself, do you prefer to spend free time with other people or alone? So it is all about the question of free time. I would like to spend this time free like with my friends or alone. It depends on the, I think, mood. I can say that sometimes I want to go with my friends and I would like to spend like leisure time, I told you, and that time I would like to do the chit chat, like discussing a lot more things. But except that, sometimes I would like to enjoy free whenever I'm doing singing and photography. At that time I would like to, I think, go forward with alone. So the fourth question is, what is a common leisure activity in your country? The common leisure activity is, I think, the mostly in my country, the people, they want to talk to each other. I have seen that the most of the people, they do have the like habit to talk with the people whenever they are getting free time. They would like to like connect with the people on call. Sometimes if they are getting the friends in the front of them, they would like to talk to them. So it is a leisure activity in my country. And the fifth question, do most people in your country get 2 days off a week? So actually, to be honest, I think, I think years back I listened only the 6 days a week, but nowadays it is quite popular in my country, and now the people, they are also getting 5 days a week in every single city in the big cities of the country, like Bangalore, like Mumbai, Delhi. So they do have the work 5 days a week. So now I can say that in the era of 21st century and the 2021 now, so we are getting the 5 days a week work. So they do have the 2 days for doing enjoying like leisure time activities. So my sixth question is, do you think leisure time is important? Yes, of course it is really important, because without having the like leisure time, we can't enjoy a lot. So leisure time is really important. If we do have a leisure time, we can do a lot more activities, we can work over our skills, and our like we can enjoy, we can do, I think, a lot more things with the hobbies. So that's why it is really compulsory. I would like to go forward with the, yeah, it is really important. So that's why keep enjoying, and whenever you are getting leisure time, at that time you can learn something new as well, because I got a lot more leisure time in this pandemic, and I tried my level best with the English speaking skills. So I'm able to speak with you guys now, and I'm trying to make a lot more content for you. That is only the reason, because I enjoyed and I utilized my leisure time, I think, last year. So I think in the last, I would like to do a request to you guys. I think if you people are liking my content, so the first thing, I think, just do like, comment and share my videos. And the second thing, if you are thinking it is really valuable, so please consider it and subscribe my YouTube channel, so it will give me the motivation, and I will make a lot more videos like this in the future as well. So it will be really helping for me as well, and it will be really helping for you guys as well. So keep watching videos and keep supporting me. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Nice to meet you.